We've got something that's going to revolutionize the way you handle spills and leaks in the workplace. The pig absorbent mat roll and the mat pad. Pig absorbent mats come in multiple options to make sure you're covered no matter the mess. You've got a convenient 30 by 150 inch roll for bigger jobs, as well as the 15 by 50 inch mat pads for the smaller jobs. They're engineered to last twice as long as ordinary mats, meaning fewer changeouts and more efficient cleanup. What sets them apart are their multiple layers of 100% polypropylene that's thermally bonded to create the strongest mat on the market. There's no more worrying about rips, tears, or fraying, even when it's saturated. Check out this exclusive dimple pattern. It speeds up the wicking of liquids throughout the mat, making cleanup faster and easier than ever before. And talk about absorbency. The fine fiber construction ensures it soaks up oils, coolants, solvents, water, basically any industrial mess that you can throw at it. And here's a pro tip. You can wring out the pig mat and incinerate it after use. This reduces waste and prevents fuels from blending. It's eco-friendly and cost-effective. Need something more compact? We also have the 15 by 20 inch pig absorbent mat pad in a convenient dispenser box. And see this dark gray color? It's not just for looks. It hides grime, ensuring that your mat stays on the job longer. Need help catching drips or soaking up spills? This is your go-to solution. If you want to know more about any of the pig absorbent mat products, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.